Digital marketing is becoming one of the most important ways to market your company's services and products. There are many types of platforms that you can use to connect with people about your ideas, but LinkedIn has proven to be an effective choice for businesses. LinkedIn is an online professional networking service. It provides career development through job opportunities, networking, business tools, and community. To start an account that can lead to success, you need to have a headline and a summary that clearly communicates who you are and what you're trying to do. Post frequently to create engagement and interact with people to become more known. Pam Didner has a professional account on LinkedIn. She shows a good example of how your account should look to become successful with her strong headline and professional look. She has gained over 18,000 followers with these tactics. Not only does Pam show a clear message, but that is not the only thing that has contributed to her success on LinkedIn. There are lots of ways on LinkedIn to receive help on making content and achieving your business goals. You need to find what works for you and what works for your content. The tools that LinkedIn provides can help you figure out how to grow and make a successful platform. Using content that is relatable and entertaining is a great way to attract people to your account. Posting relevant and frequent information to appeal to people's humor and interests is also a great way to catch people's eyes. Premium services on LinkedIn can include business insights, sales navigation, and LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is an online way to further your education about an array of subjects, but most notably to me is the amount of marketing lessons and tip videos that they have on there. Business Insights is also a great tool to use for trying to grow your platform. It uses the analytics like how many likes and views that you get on a video and what day and time you should post your content that is most appealing to your audience. The Nature Conservancy is a nonprofit organization out of Arlington, Virginia, and have almost 1 million followers. They do a great job engaging and entertaining their followers by posting frequent information about events coming up, fun facts, and current nature-related problems that are happening in the world. People follow them to stay educated, which leads to their success and growth on LinkedIn. Advertising on LinkedIn can be done in many forms, and it also provides tools to help you maximize your impact. Messaging ads are one way to advertise on this platform. It delivers interactive messages that makes it easy for prospects to get content and offers that they want and when they want them. Here's an example of a messaging ad on LinkedIn. CBRE wanted to take a more consumer-centric approach with its Urban Photographer of the Year competition. This company homed in on photographers and others alike, with the messages to pique their interest. Through this ad type, their contestant entries increased by 41% over the previous year. Sponsor ads are the most common way to advertise on LinkedIn. They bring your ad campaigns directly to people's front pages with infographics, informative videos, and captivating images. A professional sponsored ad like this one by Adobe asks you to click on the link for further information. Post-campaign measurements showed the distinct improvements in Adobe's reputation as a thought leader and media optimizer. Text ads are advertisements that we see on LinkedIn very frequently. They are an ad format that appears on the right or top of the LinkedIn feed, containing a headline, small text, or an image and logo. These ads are cost-effective and can be used to drive traffic, generate leads, or build brand awareness by targeting specific professional demographics. They noticed a 60% increase in the click-through rate on LinkedIn because of these text ads. LinkedIn proves time and time again that it is a great platform for building successful businesses, but it cannot be done without you putting in the work. You should lean into participating in the current trends and jokes and use new improved features on the website like we talked about before. By taking advantage of these, you can open your world up to new opportunities. Incorporating memes into posts on LinkedIn has become a new trend to try to engage with younger people across the platform. The company Pretty Little Marketer incorporates current trends into their posts to engage to wider audiences. Because of the relatability and entertainment their posts bring, they receive thousands of likes on their posts and new followers each day. The purpose of this game and others that LinkedIn offers is to keep users engaged and on the app for longer. The games are designed to be quick, brain-teasing puzzles that encourage conversation, friendly competition, and can help users take a short break while building their professional network. I came across this article about a man named Simon Pearsons. He lost his job back in 2020 due to COVID, so he decided to go on LinkedIn to try and start making content to hopefully uplift people during these times. After a little time, he saw that he wasn't getting the results or the likes that he wanted, so he decided to take to other people's pages to see what he was doing wrong and they were doing right. After figuring out the algorithm, he started noticing that his content was getting likes and he was getting noticed by more people and getting more followers. Soon after getting noticed on LinkedIn, he got his first client, and by 2021, he had created a successful business by life coaching. This story stood out to me for many reasons, because usually you think of LinkedIn as somewhere to go and look for a job and make connections and not start a business. I think this is such a unique opportunity that Simon Pearsons took from LinkedIn, and I think you should do the same.
LinkedIn has a reporting and analytics option that helps you get real-time data on your campaign performance and demographic insights. It measures conversions, analyzes performances, helps you understand your audience, and keeps a pulse on your biggest opportunities. To analyze your performance, you're going to click More. You have an option to create your own campaign or sign in with one you've already made. It will give you step-by-step instructions on how to create a campaign. Identify your key metrics based on campaign goals. Set up conversion tracking and lead gen forms. Evaluate ad performance. Optimize with demographic insights, and optimize with performance insights. To find your audience insights, you're going to click More. Then on the next page, you will see a video and step-by-step instructions on how to find the insights for your campaign.
LinkedIn is best known for being a networking website used to create connections with other professionals and seek job opportunities. But we have found that it can also be used for marketing in many ways. From analytic tools and metric trackers that help you monitor your engagement, to their premium subscriptions to give you more opportunities, like learning videos and business insights, LinkedIn has proven to be a great way to market your businesses and ideas. So give it a chance, and maybe you can become successful too.